Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will see how we can prepare a simple task manager with the help of a Google Sheets. Those who are new to the Google Sheets, we have shared a link of a video in the description on introduction to Google Sheets to give you a brief idea what Google Sheet is and how to play around Google Sheet. Starting on today's video, this is how the basic task manager looks like. This is the main sheet in which all the tasks of the organization will be updated. Other than this, there will be each for each member of your organization, wherein the task allocated to him will be reflected and he can update the status of the same depending on the work done by him. That particular sheet will be shared with him and only he can access that sheet. By this, each member of organization will only be able to see the work that has been allocated to him and not the work that has been others have been allocated. Also, this main sheet will be having access only to the admin and the responsible person. So no member in your organization can do changes in this sheet. I'll show how the data will flow from this sheet to individual sheet and back to the main sheet. In this, we have added two tasks when we have allocated one each to Sushant and Sahil. This individual sheet of Sushant where you can see one particular task allocated to him is reflected here, and this is sheet of Sahil. Again, the task allocated to Sahil is reflected here. Depending on the status of the work, Sahil can update the status here, and the same is reflected in the main sheet. Now we will add one row here for your reference. Update. We have updated a new work. We have kept the priority low and allocated it to Sushant. We have kept the target date as today. Now once this is allocated to Sushant, the same has been added in the Sushant's individual sheet. And again, as and when Sushant will update the status here, it will go back and reflect in the main sheet. We have uh, conditionally formatted the first column for different color based on the status that has been updated. Other than this, we can add multiple columns depending on your requirements, such as remarks, completion date. If there are more than one allottees, then we can add a column for that. If the work is sub-allotted to any juniors in the organization, again a column can be added to that. If there is any delay in the particular completion of any particular work, that can be tracked as well. And again, if you want, we can prepare a dashboard for this whole data for better visualization of what is going on in your organization. Other than this, there can be a dynamic customization in this particular sheet based on your requirement with the help of Google Scripts. This is all from us on Google Sheet and Task Manager in this video. If you need any help on this or preparing a similar task manager for your organization, do let us know. You can drop your email ID in the comment section and we will get in touch with you. Stay connected. Thank you.